You're watching Theme Park Worldwide. We're about to get some of the craziest footage I think we've ever filmed on this channel. We're here on an Intamin Zac Spin called Insane at Gröna Lund. How are you feeling? She knows what's coming. Oh my God, yeah, this thing is absolutely insane. But yeah, you get some great views. Like the good thing is with this, you know, when you look out that way, you see the park. You look out this way, you see the park and Stockholm. But yeah, we got up this really weird lift hill. Not Intamin's best creations these, but I'm glad we can take you on with a rider cam. Here we go. Yeah, it's like we're going into the sea, just over into the water. Oh my God, here we go. Woo! Oh! Woo! You're right, Charlotte. Zac Spin. Oh God. These are crazy, these things. Straight over. Oh my God, it's a short ride, but it's intense. Look at this, my hoodie's come up. You're right, Charlotte. Oh my God. Yeah, she did not enjoy it. Will that be your last ever ride on a Zac Spin? She did not enjoy it. Well, you know what? That leaves me, and me only, I think, this time, to say one thing. Get out there, keep on riding. See you in the next video.